Hey there, parents. Check out the Eezy Peezy Climber with Top, a fun and active indoor-outdoor play set designed for kids ages 3 to 6. This climbing dome is made from sturdy interlocking plastic tubes with double self-locking springs, ensuring durability and safety. Crafted with high-quality UV-protected plastic, it withstands hours of outdoor play in the sun. Lightweight and easy to assemble, this portable play tower can be moved anywhere, perfect for both indoor and outdoor fun. With a max load of 150 pounds and spacious dimensions, it supports growing kids as they climb and explore. The set includes everything needed for assembly, making setup simple and hassle-free. Give your little ones a safe, exciting space to climb, swing, and stay active every day. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.